Hi, today I'm going to show you how I make galette. Galette is a French food pancake that I make here in my Café Madame Lo in Sconetranos. It's a kind of salty crepe, like we call it in French. And the story behind it is pretty interesting because I started with this galette just 1 month after I opened that cafe in 2013, so 5 years ago. And I just started them to have an alternative to the sandwiches we're making and the soup, and it became really popular. Such popular that now we have people coming from very far away just to eat our galette. So this is the meal we're making the most in the cafe. We're making them so much that I'm thinking to call my cafe Café and Crêperie Madame Lo. So it tells you how much we're making and we became popular with that meal. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to make galette. So today I'm gonna show you how to make galette, which is kind of food pancake we're making really often here. So you take 1/3 of the surface of your yam, I don't know how to say in English. You go there all around. Galette, how do you say this? Galette stove, maybe. Then you break your egg here in the middle. You remove nicely and gently the first part. You drop your egg. Then you take some cheese around. We're gonna make a galette called Anne-Marie, it's my mother's name. And we're gonna take some goat cheese. So I break it in 2 parts, and here I can leave a nice part. Then I'm gonna take some brie cheese. So I'm gonna take also 2 parts. So this one is for cheese lovers. You see? Goat cheese, brie, and then you have some freshly baked potatoes, or cooked potatoes I should say. You put them around. Okay, here you see this part is already done, so I'm gonna move it without breaking the eggs and without hiding the egg. And this part is the part customers will see, so I will try to make the ingredients as much visible as possible. So I'm folding it here. I wait a little bit because this part is done but not the part there. You see the cheese is still melting, so I'm going to wait a little bit. I'm going to put some pepper. Since it's the last galette, I'm switching off here the temperature, which was 230 degrees. I check under to see that it's properly done. I wait 10 seconds, I'm gonna grab a plate, put the galette on the plate, put some salad in, and then we're gonna serve it. So here are my plate. So when you take the galette with your plate, don't go here because it's gonna break. Try to go here. You take your galette under. Here's probably the best spot. And you just slide into the plate. Here's the galette. Now I'm going to put some salad. Sorry. So the nice part, the nice thing when you put salad in is that you will get this hot meal, the hot cheese with fresh salad. We're going to put some salt. For that galette we have some salt. For other galette we have roasted mandels and hazelnuts. Here's the salt, here's roasted sunflowers, and this is some pumpkin seeds. So here you see I had another one called Paulette. The eggs were little too, I think it's little too hot now in Sweden, so it's some air coming inside the eggs which makes bubbles, but otherwise the egg white is totally flat and is much more beautiful than it is now. It's done. We can give to a customer.